Rev up your ride with these 30 must-have car gadgets from Amazon. From mind-blowing tech to game-changing tools, some of these will completely transform your driving experience. Don't miss the ones that'll leave you saying, "How did I ever live without this?" Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Astro AI Tire Inflator is currently priced at $31.98 on Amazon. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is a must-have for any car owner. Its Tough Ultra technology ensures exceptional durability, while programmable inflation allows you to set your desired pressure easily. The compact design makes it portable and easy to store, and the Smart Auto Off feature prevents overinflation. With a backlit screen and flashlight, it's perfect for use anytime, day or night. Rovar 2 4K Dual Dash Cam is currently priced at $149.99 on Amazon. The Rovar 2 4K Dual Dash Cam is an excellent car gadget that enhances your driving experience and safety. With stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recording, it captures every detail on the road. Its Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures clear visuals even in low light, while built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make accessing recordings effortless. With motion detection and emergency video lock, it offers peace of mind on every drive. Handheld car vacuum is currently priced at $49.99 on Amazon. The 3-in-1 multifunctional car vacuum is a must-have for any vehicle owner. With its powerful 15,000 pascals suction, it easily tackles dust and debris, while its HEPA filter ensures clean air. Lightweight and portable, it comes with various accessories for multiple cleaning tasks, including blowing and inflating. Its compact design allows for easy storage, keeping your car tidy and organized. Steering wheel. Lock is currently priced at $34.19 on Amazon. The Tevla Phi steering wheel lock is an essential gadget for car security. Its bright color acts as a strong visual deterrent to potential thieves. Made from durable alloy steel, it features a double spring crescent lock for enhanced protection. With easy installation and adjustment for various steering wheel sizes, this lock provides peace of mind, ensuring your vehicle is safe and secure. Bluetooth FM transmitter is currently priced at $18.99 on Amazon. The 2-port USB car charger 3 is an essential gadget for every vehicle. It allows for simultaneous charging of 2 devices, with 1 rapid charge port compatible with various standards, ensuring quick power-ups. The built-in microphone with noise suppression ensures clear hands-free calls, while the dual USB ports provide audio playback from flash drives. Car cleaning gel is currently priced at $6.64 on Amazon. The Politiki cleaning gel is an essential car gadget that effectively reaches difficult spots like air vents and cup holders. Its natural formula makes it safe for all surfaces, while its reusable design ensures long-lasting use. Simply press the gel into cracks, and it effortlessly lifts dust and debris. Perfect for both car enthusiasts and casual drivers, this product makes interior cleaning a breeze. Smart Car Battery Charger is currently priced at $27.82 on Amazon. The Genius One is an exceptional car gadget that offers versatile charging solutions for both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. Compact and powerful, it charges batteries down to 1 volt and features an advanced repair mode that revitalizes battery performance. Its integrated thermal sensor ensures safe charging in varying temperatures, making it perfect for automotive enthusiasts who want reliability and longevity for their batteries. Ontel Car Wash Cannon is currently priced at $22.33 on Amazon. The Ontel Car Wash Cannon is an impressive car cleaning tool that transforms the tedious task of washing into a quick and efficient process. With 5 spray settings and a powerful foam dispenser, it generates thick foam that clings to dirt, ensuring a deep clean without scrubbing. Simply connect to your hose, add soap, and let the foam do the work. Perfect for maintaining a spotless shine. Bouncy GPS Car Tracker is currently priced at $89.99 on Amazon. If you're looking to enhance your driving experience, this car gadget is a must-have. With instant app updates and accident notifications, it keeps you informed and secure on the road. Enjoy features like location tracking and speed monitoring, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Plus, its no-hassle cancellation and lack of hidden fees make it an excellent investment for vehicle safety. Pet hair remover is currently priced at $15.99 on Amazon. The aniline triangle pet hair remover is a must-have for any pet owner. Its innovative triangular design effortlessly collects stubborn pet hair from car mats, seats, and upholstery, making cleanup quick and efficient. Made from durable materials, it's built to last while being eco-friendly and easy to clean. Join the community of satisfied users and experience a cleaner car interior today. Car trash can is currently priced at $14.99 on Amazon. The Hoder car trash can is an essential gadget for any vehicle. Its adjustable strap allows easy attachment to headrests or consoles, ensuring accessibility for all passengers. With 4 magnetic snaps, replacing trash bags is a breeze. The durable leak-proof lining prevents spills, making cleanup effortless. Plus, it doubles as a storage bag, keeping your car organized and clutter-free. A must-have for every driver. Smoke visor guard is currently priced at $5.59 on Amazon. The rear view mirror rain eyebrow is an essential car gadget that enhances safety during rainy or snowy weather. Made from soft PVC, it offers durability and flexibility. Its 7.28 by 2.17-inch size effectively prevents rain from obstructing your view, ensuring clear visibility. Easy to install with a strong adhesive. It's compatible with various vehicles, making it a practical addition for every driver. Travel pillow is currently priced at $14.96 on Amazon. Looking for comfort on the go? The Tall Go Super Soft Travel Pillow is an excellent car gadget that provides superior neck and head support during long journeys. Made from high-quality memory foam, it contours perfectly to your body, ensuring a relaxing ride. The adjustable design fits any user, while the plush velour cover adds a touch of luxury. Say goodbye to travel discomfort. Steering wheel. Tray is currently priced at $12.99 on Amazon. The hook-on steering wheel tray is an essential car accessory for anyone on the go. Its lightweight, durable design easily hooks onto your steering wheel, providing a convenient surface for snacks, meals, or work. With a cup holder and dedicated pen slot, it transforms your car into a mini office or dining area, maximizing productivity and comfort during travel. Perfect for busy professionals. Vacuum-insulated coffee mug is currently priced at $12.99 on Amazon. This 12 ounces vacuum-insulated coffee mug is a must-have for any car enthusiast. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's rust-proof and leak-proof. The airtight silicone lid prevents spills, while the air vent ensures smooth sipping. Its narrow design fits perfectly in car cup holders, making it ideal for travel or daily commutes. Enjoy your favorite beverages on the go with ease. Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera is currently priced at $119.99 on Amazon. The Wolfbox G 840S Mirror Dash camera is an impressive car gadget that enhances safety and visibility. With its upgraded 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera, you'll enjoy a wider view and reduce blind spots. The advanced night vision and real-time GPS tracking further ensure peace of mind, while the 24-hour parking monitor keeps your vehicle protected even when parked. Ideal for any driver. Astro II Tire Pressure Gauge is currently priced at $9.99 on Amazon. The Astro II Tire Gauge is an essential car gadget for anyone looking to maintain proper tire pressure. With its backlit LCD display and lighted nozzle, it provides clear readings in low-light conditions. Designed for accuracy with a range of settings and quick readings in 0.1 increments, it ensures optimal tire performance, enhancing safety and extending tire life. Easy to use and ergonomically designed, it fits comfortably in any hand. Govee Car LED lights is currently priced at $15.29 on Amazon. The Govee Car LED lights are a fantastic addition for any driver looking to elevate their vehicle's ambiance. With 16 million color options and a dynamic music mode, you can create a personalized atmosphere that matches your vibe. Easy installation and the clean two-line design ensure a neat look. Control everything effortlessly via the Govee Home app, transforming every drive into a vibrant experience. Drop Stop. CarX is currently priced at $24.99 on Amazon. Drop Stop is an essential car gadget that effectively fills the gap between your seat and center console, preventing items from falling and causing distractions while driving. Its patented design ensures 100% gap coverage and a secure fit, moving seamlessly with your seat. With its durable neoprene material and universal fit, it's a stylish and practical solution for any vehicle, promoting safer driving. Car Trunk Organizer is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. The Drive Auto Car Trunk Organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to declutter their vehicle. Its collapsible design easily adjusts to fit any trunk size, while the tie-down strap system ensures your items stay secure during transit. With multiple compartments, it effortlessly organizes groceries, tools, and more. Its durable, waterproof construction keeps everything tidy and protected, making it an ideal car gadget. Sunglasses. Holder is currently priced at $7.99 on Amazon. The universal car sunglass holders are a must-have for any vehicle. With a simple clip-on design, they fit most car models effortlessly. The magnetic flap allows for easy one-handed access, making it convenient to store and retrieve your sunglasses. Constructed with high-quality leather, they protect both your visor and glasses, while the upgraded elastic ensures a secure fit. Side mirror squeegee is currently priced at $8.99 on Amazon. If you're battling foggy mirrors during rainy drives, this retractable car mirror squeegee is essential. Its extendable handle reaches up to 39 inches, allowing you to clean both side mirrors without leaving your seat. The soft sponge grip ensures comfort, while the layered brush head efficiently removes moisture without scratching. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for maintaining visibility in any weather. Astro AI Windshield Cleaner is currently priced at $15.99 on Amazon. The car windshield cleaner is an essential tool for any vehicle owner. Its detachable handle and extra-long reach make cleaning hard-to-reach areas effortless, while the washable microfiber pad ensures a streak-free finish. With added features like a safety hammer for emergencies and ample cleaning towels, this gadget is both practical and versatile, perfect for maintaining clarity in your car and beyond. Sinsen. Emergency flashlight is currently priced at $32.99 on Amazon. The emergency life key is an essential car gadget for every driver. Its tungsten steel alloy head quickly breaks windows, and the sharp seatbelt cutter ensures a swift escape during emergencies. With multiple lighting modes, a rescue alarm, and solar USB charging capabilities, it's both practical and versatile. Professional Car Duster Brush is currently priced at $9.97 on Amazon. The car interior dust remover is a must-have for anyone who values a clean vehicle. Its compact design fits perfectly in your glove box, making it convenient for quick cleanups. The premium microfiber chenille head is gentle on surfaces, ensuring a scratch-free finish. Versatile for use in cars, RVs, and even at home, this duster captures dust effortlessly, keeping your space pristine. Chamberlain Smart Garage Control is currently priced at $27.51 on Amazon. The Smart Garage Control is an essential car gadget that enhances your convenience and security. With the free MyQ app, you can open or close your garage door from anywhere, ensuring your home is always secure. It works seamlessly with Amazon Key, allowing secure package deliveries. Plus, its compatibility with most garage openers makes installation easy. Hanging car jar is currently priced at $10.14 on Amazon. Transform your driving experience with these distinctive car air fresheners featuring Beach Walk, Pink Sands, and Sun and Sand scents. Each freshener neutralizes odors for up to 30 days, ensuring long-lasting freshness. With a compact design and lightweight construction, they fit perfectly in any vehicle. Plus, they're produced in the USA and 100% recyclable, highlighting environmental commitment. Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer is currently priced at $24.99 on Amazon. If you're tired of losing small items in the gaps between your car seats, the Car Seat Organizer is the perfect solution. Its high-quality ABS plastic and PU leather design ensures durability, while the velvet pads prevent sliding. With a sleek look and added cup holder, This organizer keeps your essentials within reach, promoting a tidy and safe driving environment. Perfect for most vehicles. High-density memory foam seat cushion is currently priced at $38.99 on Amazon. The 100% high-density memory foam seat cushion is an essential car accessory for anyone who spends long hours driving. Its ergonomic U-shape alleviates tailbone pain, promoting healthy posture. The breathable, machine-washable cover adds convenience, while the non-slip bottom ensures it stays securely in place. Perfect for office, travel, or daily commutes, this cushion provides lasting comfort and support where you need it most. Blind Spot Convex Car Mirror is currently priced at $11.32 on Amazon. The Utopicar Blind Spot Mirror is an essential car gadget that enhances safety while driving. With its engineered design, it reflects images 3 times larger, providing a wider rear view. The outdoor-rated adhesive ensures it stays in place, even in harsh conditions. Its frameless design seamlessly integrates with your car's look, making lane changes much safer and boosting your confidence on the road. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of car gadget on Amazon. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which gadget you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.